Top 3 things that make me happy. Number 1, buying a new plant. Number 2, finding a great new coffee shop in my neighborhood. And number 3, when a brand new lead just booked a meeting with me and I have the potential to get a new customer. But is this person a new customer? Is this a current customer? Should this person go to support? Should they go to sales? Should we route them in Salesforce? Should we put them through ActiveCampaign? Should we send them emails? Hi, my name is Shiv Chibber, and today we're going to talk about the Salesforce Sales, Support, and Marketing CXA Automation Recipe. Now, when I'm thinking about this automation, really, like I said, when I get a new lead who's just booked an appointment with me, I want to know, are they a current customer or not? One of the most powerful ways to use customer experience automation is to really leverage the data that you already have and figure out how you're going to route that contact based on that data. And so we're going to cross-check, is this person that just booked an appointment with us a customer or not a customer? If they're not a customer, then of course we have to route them to the sales team. It's exciting, we have a new lead, right? So we want to go ahead and create a lead in Salesforce, right? We want to go ahead and send an internal email to the sales team and alert them of this new lead. We want to put them down in automation that's starting to nurture them with emails related to new prospects, and we're going to take them through our sales process. Alternatively, if they are on the support, right? If there's somebody who is a current customer, we want to take them down that support process where we're instead alerting the support team. Right? We're telling them that somebody had just come in and they want a support call and they need help with something. And then we'll probably, ask the customer a little bit more through email automation of what specifically do you want to talk about, right? What team on our support team are you looking to get your questions answered from? And so the two paths really need to be figured out through the use of automation. So let's go ahead and check out how this recipe works with our other partner, Rob.
Thanks, Shiv. Now let's get cooking with this automation recipe. First, you'll see that our automation begins when someone books a call with us on our Calendly or through a request form on our website. We then immediately check to see if the contact is a current customer or not. Here we do so by checking to see if they are on our customer list. If they are not, we'll consider them a lead and create a lead in Salesforce. Both groups will then meet at the 30-minute wait step, after which we will send them an email that sets expectations for the process moving forward. We are now going to make sure we route this call request to the right team. Here we are using their answer to a question, what is the nature of this call, to determine if we should send this call to sales or support. If their answer indicated a sales call, we will push them down the yes path, tag them as a sales call so our team knows we are in conversation, and then send them an email to gather more information for the call. We can now add them as a contact in Salesforce and notify our sales team of the upcoming call. After 2 days, we're going to assume the sales call has been completed. And so we're going to add them to our welcome series automation that'll continue to give them valuable information about our product or service. We can now remove the sales call tag. Moving back up, if their answer to our routing question was not sales, we will then ask to see if it was related to support. If so, they will run through a similar path as sales. We tag them for a support call. We then send an email to gather a little more information for our team. We notify our team. And then after 7 days, we send them into an automation to keep current customers engaged. Now, if their answer to our routing question was other, we're going to once again check to see if they are in our current customer list. If they are, we will send them down our support path. If they are not, we will send them to our sales team. This automation recipe is completely malleable to your needs and customer experience, but we hope it gives you a bit more insight on the power of the Salesforce and ActiveCampaign integration. Thanks.